Hi everyone, I want to share with you this technique. I love it. You take a section of hair, all you do is you twist your tongue around and pull it out. Twist it around, pull it out, and you get this beautiful beachy kind of curl. Now I'm going to place a ponytail in the back of the hair like that, just at the top, and I'm just using my fingers to pull those sections out. Then I braid it, leaving little pieces of hair out as I'm going. This is just a very normal 3-strand braid. Having got that, we then go right round the braid, creating a foundation, which we're now going to pin all of the hair into. Rolling it up, taking a hairpin, literally take the pin in and under the hair grips that are there, putting the pin along the scalp and under those hair grips. Then again, just finish off, make sure the balance is what you want. This hairstyle is designed to look like the client's kind of done it themselves. It's just fun to have a hairstyle that is so easy and so simple. This is a great one to add into your collection.